In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional checklist that starts on row 2, leaving row 1 for your headers so everything stays organized and easy to read. First, set up your headers. Click into row 1 and label your columns to match how you want to use the checklist. For example, you might use status in column A and task in column B. Using clear headers makes it obvious what belongs where, and it keeps filters, sorting, and printing tidy later. Next, add your checkboxes in bulk. Click cell A2. Then select all the cells in column A where you want checkboxes to appear, starting from A2 downward. You can drag down to a specific range or select as far as you think you'll need. With that range highlighted, go to the Insert menu and choose Checkbox. Instantly, each selected cell turns into a clickable box. Behind the scenes, each box evaluates to true when checked and false when unchecked, which is exactly what we'll use for automatic formatting in a moment. If you don't see checkboxes, double check that you selected Insert, then checkbox while the range was highlighted starting from A2. Now let's make completed tasks visually stand out. Highlight your task descriptions in the range B2 through B100. This is where your text will live, so that's the range we'll style. Go to Format, then Conditional Formatting in the sidebar under Format Cells if, choose Custom Formula is. In the field that appears, type =A2 plus true. That formula tells Sheets to look at column A on the same row. The $ locks the column to A, while the row number stays relative, so the rule checks the correct checkbox for each task. Set the formatting style to strike through and feel free to choose a lighter grey text color to soften completed items. Click Done. Test it out. Type a task in B2, click the checkbox in A2 and watch the text automatically strike through. Add a few more tasks down the column and repeat the process. If you plan for more than 100 tasks, simply expand the B2 B100 range when you set up the conditional formatting so it covers all the rows you'll use. That's it. Your checklist is ready. You have clear headers in row 1, checkboxes in column A starting at A2, and task text in column B that strikes through automatically when completed.